taking steps with the revised Social Studies Grade 1 curriculum, linking language and social studies. Changing roles and responsibilities. Concepts of social studies thinking. Significance. This concept requires students to determine the importance of role, relationship, and responsibilities. Students can come to understand that significance often depends on the context or situation. As you watch this next clip, consider the following questions. How has the teacher created an authentic social studies inquiry to learn about the thinking concept of significance? How can you teach roles, relationships, and responsibilities for a deeper understanding of significance?
Go in the hallways.
What was the last thing?
We went in the office.
I'm going to read this to you. Okay, it says messenger role. Responsibilities. First, choose a partner. Then take attendance from the teacher. Next, walk through the hallway. These are all sentences, so I need a period. Finally, took attendance into, that's what I should have, into the office.
Now take a few minutes to reflect again on the questions. How will you begin to collect resources that integrate social studies concepts of thinking? Why is the teaching of roles and responsibilities important in the development of citizenship education? As you watch this next clip, consider the following questions. How do the teachers collaborate to help students demonstrating critical literacy and help them to make judgments about significance of roles and responsibilities? How can you use a similar assignment of roles, such as helping hands, in your classroom to build the identity of your students?
What I would like to know, boys and girls, is which of the roles that you have in the class do you think is the most important? And let's look at the criteria for judging how you would be able to say which one was the most important, okay? And we're going to try to find the three, number 1, number 2, and number 3. And that's on the next sheet. I've got criteria there. So what do you need? What does the responsibility for the person need to be for it to be the most significant?
It's line leader.
Okay. I want to know what the line leader's doing that makes it the most important. How are we going to judge it? Yes.
Because without the line leader, everyone's gonna have twisty lines and never get Burger Bear. Or the line we
so the line,
learned.
the criteria is that the most important job could come with an award. Does everyone agree?
Yeah.
An important job would
line award.
a significant role would have an award. Feature. That's that safety. Are people ready to vote? Okay.
Yes.
So can we make a list of, let's say, 5 jobs?
Okay.
And then we'll decide which one is the number 1.
Okay.
Okay, so 5 jobs that you think meet the criteria.
Okay. So should I put it here?
I think underneath, because the ranking, I'd like 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So we have the messenger.
Messenger. Supplies.
I'll put supplies.
Line
Line
leader.
Okay.
Yes,
Line
everybody
leader.
thinks that's right.
Door.
We could do door, and how about paper?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to vote. How many of you think the most significant role is messenger? Put up your hand. Okay, so we've got 3. Supplies.
Only 1.
Well, who put up their hand? I
0.
didn't see it. You put up a hand. Okay, we've got 2
2
now.
for supplies. You're voting on which is the most important.
Okay, line leader. So we're going to vote. How many of you think the most significant role is messenger? Put up your hand. Okay, so we've got 3. Supplies.
Only 1.
Well, who put up their hand? I
0.
didn't see it. You put up a hand. Okay, we've got 2
2
now.
for supplies. You're voting on which is the most important.
Okay, line leader.
Now take a few minutes to reflect again on the questions. Where do you see yourself in your journey to implementing the 2013 revised Social Studies, History, Geography curriculum? How could this Grade 1 teacher's literacy assessment model, videotaping of students' explanations and questions, assist you with your initial planning?
And how we all have different interests. And it's all about loving ourselves, right? Because who loves themselves? Put your hand up if you love yourself.
Because I can color.
Right, and we all talked about things that we're really good at. So this was a fantastic activity. And we need to say thank you to Mrs. Gear for doing such a wonderful job. And let's say thank you to Miss Dagar, because she took the time to take our beautiful pictures, because we're all good looking. So we all got to.
Okay, boys.